ready to assassinate
I
auditorium.
can flash the hallway for you. Guys, come down the stairs.
Our side? Okay.
Flashing down.
Go, go, go!
Wait for the stun. Go, go, go.
Get him.
Right side.
Oh, nice.
Restructure.
I'm healing.
I'm also healing.
We should clear bottom.
Dash.
Yeah.
Clear right below us. Oh my god, he was in my room with the crossbow!
Is that
He
the
was
main
behind his
guy?
desk. He was hiding here, yeah. He missed. Missed.
Can't miss.
I heard it like someone move, but I thought it was downstairs.
Dude, there should be more, right? You gotta be cool.
Probably.
I saw like a million people here.
I wouldn't doubt if there's people still under us or something, just vibing. There's a 2 helmet for somebody on green. Yeah, I hear them west of me.
Okay.
Maybe basketball?
Okay, coming. I have a pound. Oh shit! Shit!
Oh,
Shit!
no.
Shit! Shit!
But he's coming to flesh. He wanted
Bro,
it.
Yeah, he
you was
was.
fucking stomping for
Bro,
that shit.
He was drooling. Cuctologist and feed, watch out.
Stomping for your
And he just killed Aston out. It's the guy from last game at Eps.
I'm listening for pool audio.
Then we should be good.
Oh, I see.
Roz was only one team. Do we want to push them or go Apps or what's
Yeah.
the vibe? Pochinki.
Roz.
Backpack is a vibe.
There's a
Both
2-bag
started
in
dead.
the auditorium. Yeah.
Where are the boosters at, dude?
I got 3.
Hey, dude, I got 5, dude.
Let me get one of them.
What do you
I
say?
have some here.
Yeah.
I need to find like a. Oh, that guy had a scar. I'll just grab the scar. Any bolts or DMRs?
I got a secret basement key.
On that M16 life. Ooh, we go straight to that. We run, we get the car, go basement. Assess.
Sounds good.
Like the plan.
Best gun in the game? Depends. Every gun's got its strength. Situation.
Oh, that's the play for sure.
Have fun running. I'm on a bike.
Pinky's pretty hard trading.
Yeah, I didn't get out because I knew that was happening. I fucking knew it. I am stuck
I'm
on the
gonna get
hoodie
cat
farm.
killed.
Thank you.
Holy shit.
See you at the secret room, Shane.
See you there, brother.
We might get a
I got some
crate too.
papers to
The
deliver,
plane's
dude.
coming over.
You have to bike to it.
Oh, it just dropped.
It's right by the room anyway. Let's go. Whoa, 2.
Yeah.
Boatyard still fighting.
Down to pull a boat after. A boaty. Boats and friends.
It's
Oh,
open.
it's looted. No, the red zone. It's the red zone.
Oh, you're right.
It's insta flushed.
This one guy, the Panzer.
Rosa. That was garbage. Oh, bolt.
I'm walking in boatyard. I marked the crate for you guys. I stole a kill. It is what it is.
Sometimes
Hold
it
up.
be like that. Okay.
Crate's orange.
Yeah.
Crate is on yeah, blue. Blue orange. There's a bunch of smokes in the catwalk right now.
Roads are free.
I've not insted yet.
There's more 7s in the carts if you need.
Hey.
What's out left in the containers?
Project save
outside left.
Shane Doe. One knock.
Don't need saving.
We want
I
to
don't wanna be
scratch.
saved. You don't save me.
I'm peeking out.
Left,
Warehouse.
inside left. Warehouse. Holy fuck.
2.
Come. Mid. Mid.
Wait, Ash. Wait, yeah. Let's go. This is how we do it.
Great push. We vest here.
6
I have 4 nades. I'm gonna drop one here.
Eddie Ross, I'm going there, guys. I'll meet you there.
They
Run
fighting
back.
Ross?
Yeah, I'm just
Yeah.
shooting.
I only saw one team. That's weird. Must be UAV.
Is your car gone?
Yeah.
Mm. Revive.
It is res.
Oh.
Is that
Oh.
on
so
orange?
that- yeah.
Or not
What the
orange.
hell?
Green.
It's so good. Oh, we have a boat.
Fuck, no, I'm
Boat take to Raz. Boat take to Raz.
Roger, roger, roger.
Quick, quick, quick. Oh,
Who the fuck?
Oh, fuck. Shit.
what the hell was that?
Like we reaggress blue.
Think so?
I think we do. They're not gonna make our push. Well, I guess we're rotating, it's fine, but I still, they shot at us, I wanna kill them.
They could bring the boat to us and then we go hop in, but go get him, Shane.
We're running out of mash. Get that rune scar, I
Okay.
guess.
Um,
Ain't calling audible.
Audible.
Now we're getting red zone. Great call, Shane. Great
Thank you,
fucking
dude.
call, dude. I could be in a boat.
Follow your fearless leader.
I don't even think I want to run out there.
I don't think
Yeah,
I want to
let's-
say anymore actually either, because this guy's just like non-existent.
I think it's just one guy.
Back to the original plan, now!
Okay, okay.
Go get the car for us,
do it
Shane.
quick.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Alright, I trust you.
The direct
Never
command.
steered me wrong, ever.
Direct order.
Pulling rank on me.
Seniority.
You will obey my authority. Alright, I'm coming back.
I just don't get knocked.
Just don't die. Got it?
car. Northeast
Me?
of us.
Okay.
Oh, wait, no, it's reversed. It's
Hello.
just you.
Look, we are the chosen ones, Shane, so if anything,
Yes.
we're protected.
We've never died to a red zone ever in our lives.
Okay. We're good, we're good.
Don't worry, guys. We're safe.
I'm outside. I'm gonna practice not getting hit. I'm gonna look just straight up.
Oh.
Yeah, it's good
Little hot
practice.
potato action. Little flyers up.
You can see them coming like way in advance.
What, reset? Okay, perfect.
I probably look pretty
That boy was
stupid.
tweaking.
That's how I feel whenever I look up at a crate. I'm like, I'm gonna get shot at any given moment looking up.
Other plane coming. Oh, the flare.
It appears the fight is over.
Think they went to rest? I don't see anybody on the hill.
It goes down, honestly.
That could have been the car that Ash heard northeast when we were in the. Like,
No, it was you
That
guys.
was me.
It was just
Could have been the
reversed.
Dragonoff guy. Could have been the Dragonoff guy in blue. Because they could have driven there.
Yeah,
Actually.
get this other guy.
Aye.
The guy coming back.
In
I think
town.
he's landing by cube. Oh, we could camp him. I bet they cross our
Actually back,
bridge.
like apps. Oh, I got out my bed.
This guy's gonna land cube. He's gonna cross our bridge very soon.
Roger that.
All right, let's get the tools out. Let's go to work on this bitch.
Still flying. Pretty sure he's going cube.
He's
Might be
gonna take
landing-
forever.
I'd be like,
Ash is not
his
like
team might be over there.
I'm sensing a counter call from Ash here.
You might be right.
Guy also might just.
There's a
go
car
left or
driving
right.
on orange right now.
That could be him, conceivably.
Okay. Yeah, I'm down to go if you don't see.
All right. None of these plans are working out. I'm just gonna say right now.
And we're alive. That's always a good plan.
You right. You right.
What happened to your car?
It was popped.
Oh.
Yeah, someone popped the Roscar. It's insane. Who would have done that? Who would have done that?
Who would have even
Tell
think?
me it wasn't Shane.
I was fucking biking, bro. I was doing other things. That's an airdrop plane, y'all.
Yeah.
Key toward that.
This mini poach is clear. Freight gonna drop
Oh,
out
it dropped
east.
east.
You pull up in the tunnel. Feeling shisty.
Isn't the crate higher up?
No one's picking DB. Yeah, he can just drop me off here and you guys can grab it. Cover.
Where is it exactly?
Keep going. Yeah, you're actually going. Go a little left, just a smidge left, a little left, a little left. Okay, stop. Nice.
Oh,
Do we not pull the e-brake? Oh.
Frames,
it's like
where are
moving.
you?
Just going.
Ooh, okay.
Thanks, sir. Armor.
It's a lynx.
That's
And a
yep.
C4.
Perfect.
Wanna grab your vest off that?
All yours.
Yeah, grab it. I can't carry the C4 though.
Got it. I'm gonna put it in the trunk real quick, Ash, before you drive.
Okay.
Hold up, hold up. Boom, and then one more. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
No, I'll just come to you.
Sounds good.
Oh, there's a car by school coming like.
Oh yeah,
going
car in yellow.
Poach, I
There's a
guess?
team
Yeah.
in. I think there's already a team in this DB.
Okay,
Yeah,
we're just
there's
gonna
a
crash
team.
flat.
Yeah, that was okay.
No peaks on the top.
There's a car
There might
here.
be another team pulling into us though
Yeah, I heard.
from
Oh,
the
the previous
north.
fight, no one shot at us.
Yeah, car pulled in from the north. They're running up to
Heard
the
that.
mansion right now.
Okay.
Two guys at least.
I have timing. I have time. I'm crossing.
One's
the mansion right now.
warehouse.
They knocked
Oh, they
one.
knocked
knocked
one on
in
our
the
time.
north,
Yeah.
One's right wall, one's left wall. Yellow.
Oh, one's far right by the rocks.
One just bolted into my mansion. My stairs.
Scan the rocks like no longer peaks.
My double
One
orange.
second floor, got my
On
mansion.
me, on me.
guys.
Oh yeah.
Fire.
He's on fire. Yeah.
Shot him uphill, guys.
Yeah, they
Is
took
that on
it
the hill?
Yeah, he's south.
I don't see him.
Going down the open right here in yellow.
I'm trying, my man, guys.
That could be why I don't see him.
Oh, oh.
I'm
Can't
being shot
peek
in the
that
back
for
now.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I'm
can probably
trying
see
to
this
peek
guy.
it. I see him now, but now there's trees.
Yeah, yellow tree. On my bottom floor this whole time. Top floor. Rest above me.
Oh my god,
Don't
I can't
believe
peek the roof either.
I'm just trying to pick. You can pick yellow with me. I just. It's so hard to see these
They
guys.
naded my roof. Nice.
One team's dead here.
I knocked one on me.
Get the yellow guy. I ran down.
I knocked the other one. I have a flush and a knock over here.
This should help Shane.
He's
I can
upstairs
BZ
right
it.
mansion.
Yeah. There's still
Easy
guys
enough.
yellow.
Flash my kills. I'm healing.
Keep up hill still. I knocked upstairs
Nice
mansion.
one up. Guys, I'm gonna push that.
The other guy was like rocks in the back earlier. I don't know if he moved.
Yeah. He's
I
getting hit from
do
up.
not see these guys up the hill.
Where's your knockage one? Upstairs or what?
Sorry.
Make it.
You're fine. You're chilling.
He's going to rush right now. All dead.
Three,
Oh my
three
God.
dots on me.
I'm looking
I
hard.
needs it.
I'm
Good work.
running over to get a helmet.
Can't believe there's two people in that double orange the whole time.
Yeah.
I thought it was just one. Glider's flying pretty low.
Wait, can I bop them?
Yeah, bob them. Car coming?
Are pushing me out.
I'm getting beam from uphill.
No,
They're
this
gonna
car's
be open
flipping.
uphill.
It's flipping right now. It's a full car on orange. Nice.
Nice. Nice
I
cat.
can push. I can push.
I might just push. I kind of want to push the guys that.
These guys south
They
have
hit
to
flatting.
move.
I need to get a new button.
I'm not to run the rock on blue.
Let's wipe the south guys, Ash on blue. Come take an angle if you want.
Okay.
I'm anchoring right now. You guys just go.
Cat, are they resin your
That's
guys on
my
mini
fleet.
poach?
No.
Oh, you got them both? Okay.
I got both, yeah. There's still guys on the hill. I need to, like, loot these guys for...
Go ahead. I'll go. I'll push up.
Where's this hill guy? Bring
Oh, no,
down
that's
from
one
snow.
on
He's stuck on yellow tree, hurt. He's still in the tree.
About to get angles on him. Dead.
White.
See a giant magazine in the sky. It's ginormous.
There's a guy at flat top on... If somebody has a bolt on green, there's two guys.
Yeah.
Or if you just want to tap.
So people on Ash's compound, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah,
there's
on the
that, I think there's two more up from that team that I had linked out.
Yeah,
I have a
one's
party.
orange.
Kill the flat top. One side upstairs.
We're killing green, right?
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
Yeah. Okay. Heard.
And this guy's far on orange.
Wait, the C4s. I used them actually. Forgot.
Should
No,
just
there's
be
one in my
max
car.
two.
No,
Sure.
it's in my car.
Oh, nice. You could do a little C4 play here, Kat. if you want.
You know, there could
Yeah.
be something.
I feel like
I don't know
one
how
of
to
us
do
can
it where, like, I put it on the car and slap it, though, unless I put it on before.
You can slap it on for me, and I can send
I think
it.
you
I
could say
can
it
do
for the
that.
last guy. If you-
I would save it.
Oh,
Save
yeah,
it. I
okay,
actually
okay, we'll
haven't
save it,
seen
we'll
any
save it.
peaks from yellow, by the way.
No,
Let's
there
just-
was someone there. He could have.
Right. No, I'm
fallen
just saying
back,
they're not
but
peeking right
yeah.
now.
Max two. Just run them.
Yeah, I'm looking for the triple.
In.
I can see sheep. Oh, peaks from triple either. There's a chance they ran out to the hill already.
Yeah, probably.
There's a foot. There's a guy on foot on blue mark, really far.
Yeah, this guy's.
Okay, he's in the fucking shack, bro.
He's in the shed?
Yeah, he's in the fucking shack. God damn it.
Don't innate him.
Is he still in?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, he's nice save.
Bruh.
No way.
If there's a rat in fucking PUBG, your boy's gonna find him.
Does he have a cell phone?
You're running so hard. Let's go peek this poach fight.
Dude, that guy, dude. Oh,
Orange might still be there.
He ran Ash. We watched him. He ran
Oh,
far.
you
He's gonna be
did.
rapping like yellow. We kill Pochinki, we win.
Okay.
Ran up on this.
People at church.
Church and flat top still.
I'm gonna bring one of the cars up.
Oh, guy
Actually,
far
I need
east.
to.
I don't think we need to.
Yeah, I think you're right. Far east, you say?
Yeah, wasn't there just a spray from the east?
They're at the church.
I don't know.
Was that backwards down?
I keep thinking my stuff is backwards too, but
Only
I
we
did
push
one spray
flat.
test.
Oh, in the open at church. Car behind us.
I did hear a good.
You got church.
Nice.
Watch that church.
One's orange.
Healing.
Flush him under the fence.
Orange is running.
Oh, flush him under the
Still play
fence.
orange.
Last bullet.
Guys far running left from orange.
Just one shot Ash. Knock that orange away.
Far right somewhere. By the car maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, he's orange. Can you give a res? I'll smoke.
Yeah. I'm coming, Ash.
Thank you.
Knocked him.
Nice.
That arm hit me.
From church.
That church, yeah.
Oh, nar.
Thank you.
So there's still guys blue in church, right?
Church guy's running out to the bowl in yellow right now. Like, we just run right.
Sounds good.
Peek. Clear church guy. Without better smokes. Nice shot.
That ghillie guy.
I think we move off that damage.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're safe to them. We
Yeah.
kill this team ahead of us and then we
Yeah.
kill church. How far are they? They're all the way, yeah. I see one far, yellow.
Seen.
3v3, I think.
Yeah.
We should peek soon. Still top church.
Oh, it's a fun gun.
Oh. One could have wrapped left or right. Be careful.
Oh, one's on our far left. Holy fuck. Didn't expect him.
On the rock, I
need
made
that
him.
smoke.
Rock. He's on the rock. One more above me. South.
Rock?
Top up.
Nice.
Alright.
Last guy's top.
I think still church life.
He's
Yeah,
pushing
bullet
straight
church.
south of me.
Well, that's a nice name.
Let's get blue.
I'll peek with you if you want to just peek him.
Yeah, you should peek
Yeah,
over
let's go.
together. Before you can res the last
I heard
one.
him left though.
Nice.
Nice.